Righto, boys and girls, Queensland Spring Matsuri. It's Sunday. I decided that Saturday Matsuri is always a shit fight. The lines are always huge. That I'd wait and see who was still kicking on Sunday and come down on Sunday instead. That way I get more seat time. And sure enough, to my understanding, every OnSong boy here is still kicking. All of our customers are still kicking. So here we are down here in the car with Brad at the moment in the R33.4.
Go guys.
Brad's going to take me out. We're going to do some laps. And hopefully we get a fair few Paso runs today and get some good footage. Let's get it. Up the old Cortina. What a freaking unit, eh?
Something you don't see every day, mate.
Yeah. I want to build a drift car. What do you reckon? Nah, Cordy. So we got Brad here that's obviously still kicking. Matt from Nightworks Drifting in the R32 is still kicking. As far as I'm concerned, as far as I'm aware, Todd Tucker in the 900 horsepower 1.5J that I built for him. He's still driving. That thing's still going. I think he had an issue with a caster arm, but got that sorted. And I'm pretty sure James Nolan's still kicking around. So pretty good to have a fair few of the boys still kicking this late on a Sunday. Which is always a good thing. It's actually, I'm surprised how many people are still driving here, even the lines at the moment. Usually Sunday is like a ghost town in Matsuri.
Yeah, right.
Usually everyone's broken and gone home by this time on a Sunday.
Even the lines was this big yesterday.
Yeah, right.
I think people actually sorted out their cars yesterday, so probably other way around this year, eh?
Ah, well, that's all right. We're still here. Get some laps in. good fun. Brad's out there ripping, car's going well, so happy days. He's a bit worried about his clutch, but anyway, hopefully he keeps going for the rest of the day. We got Matt's 32 here. He's still kicking apparently, but we don't know where he is. Haven't heard from him and we're not quite sure where he is, but he's not here, so see if we can find him. Got all the boys here, even the non-car boy.
Yeah. One non-car boy.
The current, yeah, the van guy. Hey, look who decided to show up. He's a bit busy, but he's here. Alright, so Rex just finally got here. I came from the coast this morning, he came from home. So he's going to jump in with Matt because he tuned the 32. So given that Rex tuned it, he should go for a bit of a strap in it. So Rex is going to jump in, he's just getting his passenger armband, but I'll hand the GoPro over to him and he can film some of Matt's laps.
Phew. First run out, Matt, 32. Sunday morning, let's get it. Oh, 31. Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, good stuff.
Awesome, well done.
up onto the bonnet.
So it came in, it was just a piece of rubber trim on the front there that we saw, but Matt was questionable on these tyres after yesterday. He did a couple of laps on them and we just had a look at them and they're cooked. So we're coming in, sort some new tyres out, send him back out. Phew!
right, boys and girls, that concludes yet another Queensland Matsuri that we aren't drifting at. Anyway, you get that on the big jobs, but good to see the boys all killing it and all of their cars still ripping. Brad's clutch did finally cark it this afternoon, but he did make it most of Sunday. Matt there at Nightworks is still kicking. Apparently Ricky with the JZX90 hit a wall or something, bent his. Todd's new combo 900 horsepower Cressy is still going, he's killing it, so he's wrapped with that to finally have that thing sorted. So and as far as I'm aware, James Nolan's was all good, but I didn't actually get to catch up with him. I went past their shed a few times, but every time I went there they were not there, so didn't get a chance to catch up with Rice to Slide or James Nolan. But all in all, seemed all pretty good. Excited to finally get our cars done and get out there and have some fun as well. I'm pretty sure if you went back and had a look at the last 4 or 5 Matsuri videos, that's how they all end. I'm always keen to get a fucking car done and get out and get some driving time in, but it just keeps not happening that way. But anyway, we'll see if we can make it happen for next year. I got burnt as hell on my arm, so cruise on home. Lovely afternoon. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one. Peace out, see you, bye.